Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make tahini. Tahini is prepared by grounding sesame seeds, olive oil, and a pinch of salt. You can find this in the Middle East cooking either as a dip on its own or as a major component in hummus, baba ganoush, and mutabal. I've taken 4 tablespoons of sesame seeds and then dry roast it on low fire. After a couple of minutes, close the flame as we want to retain its white color. Keep it for cooling. After cooling, add it to the food processor and grind it for a couple of minutes. You can even bake the seeds in a preheated oven until the seeds are fragrant. We need to get a real fine powder rather than a coarse sesame powder. Add 4 teaspoons of olive oil to the fine sesame powder. I always make a thin consistent tahini. Store tahini in an airtight container in the fridge and it can last anywhere between 15 days to 1 month. Thanks for watching and bye, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button for more notifications on mouth-watering recipes.